Hello, Jack. How are you? Say, I am fine. Fine. Yes. Very good. Okay, so are you happy? Yes? Okay. Say happy. I am happy. Okay. Teacher will give you a star. Great job. Very good. All right. Okay, Jack, are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's go. All right, Jack, listen to me. Look at me, okay? Okay. So we will sing. La la la. Yes, sing. Okay, so listen. Listen first. Yes, five. Pow! Very good. Okay, Jack, we will sing together. Okay? Yes, sing. Okay. Hello, hello. Stand up. Hello, hello. Sit down. Hello, hello. Make a smile. Make a smile. Hello, hello. Give me five. Five. Yes. Okay, one more time, Jack. Hello, hello. Stand up. Yes, okay. Hello, hello. Sit down. Yes, okay, very good. High five, Jack. Ow. Okay, here is your strawberry. Wow. Yes, okay. So let's go. Let's go to the next page. Okay, Jack, look at the picture. Say, my face. Face. Yes, face. 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 Yes, my face. Yes. Very good. Oops, my face. My face. Yes, very good. Face. Can you say face? Face. Yes, very good. Okay. My face. All right, very good. Okay, now, Jack, we will listen. Okay, listen and say. Okay? All right. Jack, say nose, nose. I have a nose. Yes. Jack, is this nose? Yes or no? Yes, it is nose. Okay, nose, nose. I have a nose. All Very good. That is nose. Okay, here is your sweet mango. Yay, sweet mango. All right. Okay, Jack, let's listen. Okay. Okay, point to your nose. Nose. Okay, Jack, listen. Nose. Yes. Jack, say nose. Nose. Yay! Very good. Here is your star. Wow, you are a superstar. Wow. All right, very good. Okay, Jack, let's play. Listen and choose. Okay? All right. So listen first. Click. Yes, click. Yay! Okay. So Jack, when you hear nose, okay, click on nose. Click. Yes. Okay. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's start. Yay! All right. Hooray! Teacher will give you an apple. Apple and another star. Yay, another star. Wow, you are a shining star. All right, very good. Yes, good job. Okay, now Jack, look and say. Okay? Okay, so let's listen first. Okay, yes. Yes, eyes. Eyes. Jack, where are your eyes? Yes, eyes. Eyes. Very good. Okay, Jack, can you tell me? Are these eyes? Eyes? Yes? Yes. Very good. Okay, so Jack, you have when I say go, you will say eyes. Eyes. Okay? Okay, very good. Now, okay, listen, Jack. Go. Eyes. 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 Yay! Okay, you are awesome. Here is your orange. Nom, 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 nom. Yes, orange. Very good. Yay! Okay, now Jack, you will listen. Okay, listen to a song. Okay. Nose, nose, I have a nose. Nose, nose, I have a nose. Okay, very good. Now let's go. Okay, Jack, listen to the song. Okay, so let's sing together. Okay. All right, Jack, so let's sing together. Nose, nose, I have a nose. I have a nose. Yay! Very good. High five. Pow, pow, pow. Pow, pow, pow. right, so teacher will give you another reward. You are the best. Okay, way to go, Jack. Now let's go. Okay, Jack, let's listen. Okay, Jack, where is your mouth? Is this mouth? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is this mouth? No, it's nose. Where is your mouth? Yes, very good. Okay, Jack, can you tell me? Is this mouth? Yes, mouth, mouth. I have a mouth. Yay! Okay, so let's sing together. Mouth, mouth. I have a mouth. I have a mouth. Yay! Very good. Okay, here is your grade. Yay! Awesome. Very good. All right. Okay, so we will sing and dance. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, Jack, we will sing and dance. All right. So let's listen. Okay, so let's sing together. Are you ready? Okay, so ready, set, go. Nose, nose, I have a nose. Nose, nose, I have a nose. Mouth, mouth, I have a mouth. Mouth, mouth, I have a mouth. Okay, very good. Hooray! Well done. Okay, so teacher will give you another reward. Okay, what is it? Ice cream! Yum, yum, yum. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we will read a story. Yes, read a story. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. All right, now let's read. I wash. I wash. Yes, I wash. Very good. I wash. Okay, Jack, can you say it? I wash. Yes. Okay, now let's read one more time. I wash my hair. Okay, well done. One more time, Jack. I wash my hair. I wash my hair. Yes, very good. Awesome. Okay, so here is your pear. Ta-da! A sweet pear for Jack. Very good. Okay, now let's read. I wash.